So I've been doing an experiment. Every time we've been cutting up like an aromatic, like root vegetable, like a carrot or like a bell pepper or onions or garlic or anything, what I've been doing is I've been saving the like clippings. So I have all these like green onions and stuff. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put them in a soup broth. So I'm gonna take all of these, like it's green onion, it's some chili peppers in there. Ooh, that might maybe be spicy. We'll see how it goes. Onions, garlic, carrot clippings, some carrot sticks I didn't quite eat on time, and they're kind of getting a bit, you know how carrots get like wiggly wobbly. Yeah, we're gonna toss those all in, brown them up a little bit, then put in some water, make a broth, and we'll see how it goes. So just figured, like, what is broth? Anyway, broth is like, veggie broth is just like all the good flavory bits cooked. So yeah, give it a go. The vegetables are thawed for the most part. I'm just gonna add like a pinch of salt. Okay, starting to get like a little bit of that fond, you know, or it's like the stuff sticking to the bottom of the pan. It's like good flavor. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add in some water. I'm gonna add a bit more water, maybe like that much again. Just let it boil for a long time. Okay, it's boiling now, so I'm going to go ahead and turn down the heat. And then I'm gonna put a lid on this guy and just let it simmer for, gosh, forever, I suppose. Okay, so after filtering out the veggie stock, what I do then is toss it in, oh man, it's a full freezer. So then I've got veggie stock frozen, a couple containers of these ready to go any old time we fancy making soup. And now just thawing this out, got some butternut squashes and the like roasting in the oven, and ready to make a soup. Yeah, how cool is that? Veggie broth ready to go. Really fun side effect of making the soup is like I've got, boom, chunks left over from my veggie stock next week. So I don't know if this is then like the right or the wrong way to do things, but what I do is straight to my broth, I add my spices, so I do cardamom, cumin, a little bit of cloves, not too much, careful with that one, tons of paprika, and then tons of cinnamon. Spoon, 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 spoon. Spoon! You can probably hear in the background while I'm doing this, already making next week's stock. All sorts of roasted veggies now in the broth, getting themselves ready to be blitzed. So yeah, that's it. Grab all your scrap veggies, toss them in little Ziploc bags, put them in the freezer. When you have enough, pop them out, boil them up. You got yourself some veggie stock. Use it to make butternut squash soup, as I just showed you. Can use it to make rice, which adds a lot of flavor to that. It's really good. We've done it, I've made stock like this about 4 times now, and the results have been great. So yeah, get on it.